Good morning, dear students. This is the 8th video of chapter 4 Geography. Chapter name is Agriculture and this video is for the student of standard 10. Students, in our previous video we discussed about food crops other than grains. There we discussed about the sugar cane, the climate that is required for the cultivation of sugar cane, about the tea, coffee and other crops. Here in this video we are going to discuss about the non-food crops. Non-food crops, but they are commercial. So first we will discuss about the rubber, then after that we will see the other crops, other fiber crops like jute, cotton, etc. So let's see one by one. When we talk about rubber, rubber is plantation crop. You have read in previous videos. It is an equatorial crop, but under special condition it is also grown in tropical and subtropical areas. Rubber plants can grow well in the equatorial region where the temperature is hot and humid, but what it is saying, it can grow well in tropical as well as subtropical areas also. And since beginning only we are reading that our India is located in this condition, okay, where the tropical as well as the subtropical temperature we receives. It requires moist and humid climate with rainfall of more than 200 centimeter and temperature above 25 degrees Celsius. It is an important industrial raw material. Here you have to understand, students, why it is industrial raw material, because from it many things can be just produced. It is mainly grown in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andaman and Nicobar Island, as well as in Garo Khasi Hills of Meghalaya. India ranks 5th among the world's natural rubber producer. When we just talk about the consumption of natural rubber, so they are used in auto tire and tubes, cycle tires and tubes, camelback, footwear, belt and hoses, latex foam, dipped goods and other activities in other work. So that's why in industry rubbers are used in the raw material. Next is the fiber crop. Cotton, jute, hemp and natural silk are the 4 major fiber crops grown in India. The first 3 are derived from the crops grown in the soil. Silk is obtained from cocoons of silkworm fed on green leaves, especially mulberry. Silk, growing silk or rearing silk technique just came from China. Rearing of silkworms for the production of silk fiber is known as sericulture. Many persons are involved in sericulture, students. That sericulture is also a part of agriculture, where people are just using the natural thing only as their raw material, and in the finished goods, that silk, that is also natural. So many people who are engaged in the rearing of silk, so that is called sericulture. Next is cotton. India is believed to be the original home of cotton plant because it is believed that India started cultivating cotton plants, and we were the leading producer in past. One of the main raw material for cotton textile industry. Without cotton, textile industry cannot just work. India is the 3rd largest producer of cotton in the world. Cotton grows well in drier parts of black soil of Deccan Plateau. Here drier parts should be there, students. T is missing, you just correct it. Of black soil of Deccan Plateau. Requires high temperature, light rainfall, that is 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for growth. Kharif crop require 8 to 10 months to mature. It is a type of Kharif crops only. Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh are major cotton producing states. So cotton is very important crop, student. It grows well in the black soil. Black soil is also known as regular soil or lava soil, and especially the region of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, there you will get the Deccan trap, and that is rich in black soil. So in these areas you can just see the farmers growing the cotton in more amount. Next, if we talk about the other fiber crops, that is jute. It is known as the golden fiber, students, because of its color and value. It is used in making gunny bags, mats, ropes, yarn, carpets and other artifacts. Due to its high cost, it is losing market to synthetic fiber and packing materials, particularly the nylon. So here this is not getting the market because it is of high cost, and people are depending on the low cost material, that is the nylon, that is the other synthetic fibers, for packaging work. Condition required for the crops, that is jute. Jute grows well on well drained fertile soil in the flood plains where soils are renewed every year. So this you have to focus on. Jute grows well on well drained fertile soil. So our Bangladesh region, West Bengal regions, here where river deposits maximum amount of sand or silt, so that is getting the renewability of soil. Soil is renewing time to time. High temperature is required during the time of growth. And you should know, students, that Bangladesh is the leading producer of jute. High temperature is required during the time of growth. Areas of cultivation, that is West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Orissa and Meghalaya are the major jute producing states. Just take a look of map, that top 10 jute producing states in India, that are Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. So this map will help you, students. Just you practice it. If we talk about the cotton, rubber and jute producing states, so they are, with the help of index you can just identify. Cotton you can see Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, okay, some part of Goa also. When we talk about the rubber, then Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, orange is indicating rubber plantation. If we talk about the jute, so they are cultivating in Bihar, West Bengal, Assam. These are the regions. So this map will definitely help you. So this is the end of the video, students. In this video we discussed about the non-food crops. We started from rubber. Rubber is a plantation crop and it is including in the plantation activities. Where we just grow rubber, that is the equatorial region, but we can grow it in tropical and subtropical areas also. That's why it can be grown here very easily in India. We discussed about the other fiber crops, that is the silk, jute, cotton. So this is very important for you. You should understand it and practice it. Practice the map. Thank you for watching, students. Thank you very much.